happy birthday po, Ate Rara. More birthday to and wish ko lang po sa iyo sa good health and palagi ka po mag-iingat. At sana po mag-enjoy ka po sa kaarawan mo po ngayon. More kulitan, more asaran, more tampuhan. Ayun lang po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Rara. God bless po always and just enjoy your day po. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Rara, our prettiest, our sexiest, and our yummiest admin. Thank you, Ate, for being our friend. Thank you for being my ate, and thank you for being our admin. I hope you continue to shine, continue being beautiful, being kind and funny. I hope you don't stop being yourself and don't stop believing in yourself, Ate Rara. Thank you also, Ren, for being a good mother to your children, and thank you for being a good example to us sa mga nakababata sa'yo. Ngayong 18 ka na, Ate Rara, ang gusto ko lang is enjoy mo lang yung life, iwas ka sa stress, and stay healthy, stay beautiful as ever. And hayaan mo, Ate, dahil naghahanap na ako ng person for you, and hopefully, yung mamimit mo is aalagaan ka, na mamahalin ka, yung deserve.
Happy birthday, Ate Corara! Enjoy your day. It's your birthday. More birthday to come. And stay beautiful inside and out. Yan lang. I love ya. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Kylie! More birthdays to come. Stay healthy and stay na pintas lata. I love you!
Ano my love? Kakagulat naman to. Hello my love, happy birthday. Parang nasobrahan yung excited ko ngayon ha. Nasobrahan yung makeup. So ayun na nga, happy birthday once again. Pasensya ka na. Wish you all the best. May God bless you abundantly. May God bless you more with your family. Laban lang sa lahat ng pagsubok. Pray mo lang yan kay God. Matiwala ka lang, lumaban ka lang, pakatatag ka sa araw-araw, okay? Enjoy every single day. Be thankful as always through ups and downs. At huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Kumapit ka lang kahit saan. Joke lang. So, ayun, once again, happy birthday and I love you so much.
Hi Rara, happy birthday and enjoy your special day and stay pretty and kind. And once again, happy birthday to our admins, Rara.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. I want you to brains, huh? What do you want? I will.
Happy birthday, Ate Rara! We wish you all the best. Another year, another blessing. Kaya fight lang ng fight. We love you so much. Exclusives will always be at your back, no matter what. Happy birthday!
Hello, Sid. Happy 30th birthday. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay unti-unti mong matupad. Sa gabay ng Diyos sa bawat hakbang. At lagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka namin.
Wishing you happiest birthday, Ate Rara. Get a beautiful presents to our family and we're so grateful for your love and care. May this year brings everything your heart longs for. God bless and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Rara. Alam kong masaya ka ngayon kasi dagdag edad ka na naman. Wish lang namin sa'yo ay mas maging mabuti kang ina para sa mga anak mo. Yun lang, mahal ka namin. Wala sana magbabago. Alam ko marami tayong pagkakatampuhan, marami ako nasabi sa yung hindi maganda. Pero mahal pa rin kita, wala akong magagawa. I love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate ko. Enjoy your day. We love you.